Welcome to our quick guide on using the Refresh Application Data feature in Okta. The Refresh Application Data feature in Okta serves a crucial purpose in ensuring that the latest roles, profiles, and group data from app integrations are retrieved and used by the system. By doing so, Okta can accurately create new users in those app integrations, streamlining the user provisioning process. Moreover, this function can also update various product licenses, attributes, roles, and groups from downstream applications, providing a comprehensive and up-to-date view of the user's access rights and privileges. Now, let's go through how to use this feature. Head over to the Okta Admin dashboard. Click on Applications, then choose Applications again. Click on More and select Refresh Application Data. A message will appear highlighting the application data downloaded successfully. For more information, let's check System Log. To go there, click on Reports, then System Log. Here, scroll down, and we can see applications like Salesforce and Office 365 imported provisioning data. And that's it. You're all set to keep your Okta integrations up to date with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.